Hello and welcome to Western Bartonshire Learning Campus. My name is Mr. Clark, and depending when you're tuning in, good morning, good afternoon, good evening or good night. Today we are going to knock some more maths out the park today. Right, we are looking today at rounding part 2, and this is when we move into that world of fractions and decimals. So let's have a wee look at some of our questions. And we're going to start by rounding to the nearest whole number. So this is all about making it whole. So first question here, we've got 41.3. That 3 stands for 3/10. We want only the whole number in this one, okay? We don't want our tenths. So we take it to the nearest whole number. Now it's 3, which means we are rounding it down. The nearest whole number to 41.3 is 41. We could have gone up to 42 had it been a higher number, but actually because it's 0.3 we are rounding down, and that is our nearest number. Now my next number is 245.9. Right, once again, nearest whole number, we don't want that tenth anymore, we want to get rid of that. So 9 means we round it up, so 245, nearest 0.9, next whole number up from that is 246. Let's move on to my next one. We've got 72.36, so we've got 72 and then we've got 3/10 and 600ths. We don't want the 3/10, we don't want the 600ths, we want to get rid of them completely. So last year, gross. Okay, let's get rid of them. Okay, so let's have a look. We look at our tenths column. We don't need to worry about our hundreds because the tenths will tell us everything we need to know. If it's a 3, we're going rounding it down the way. So the nearest to 72.36, the nearest whole number is actually the 72. Okay, we don't need to go down to 71. Some people will make that mistake and they'll forget about the fact that it's 72. So 72. There's our nearest whole number. Okay, let's go to one decimal place. We want one decimal number, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, 1. So in this case, we're going to have to look in our hundreds column. Okay, so we're looking in our hundreds column. 6.3. We need to work out: are we rounding it down to 6.3? Or are we rounding up to 6.4? If it's 1, it's going down. Okay, so the answer to this one is going to be 6.3. Let's have a look at the next one. We've got 75.49, 4/10, 900ths. Once again, we're going to look in our hundreds column. Now that 9 is telling us we are going up the way. So our nearest tenth, we're not going to go down to 4/10, we're going to go up to 5/10. So it's going to answer will be 75, that stays the same, 0.5. Now this one's getting even bigger. We've got 64.839, 8/10, 300ths and 900ths. 9,000, sorry. So 64.8/10, 300ths, 9,000ths. Once again, we only want one decimal place, so we're going to look in that hundreds column. 3 means we round it down the way, so it's going to go down to the 64.8. It's not going to go up the way to 64.9, it's going to stay on 64.8. And that's one decimal place on each of those questions. Moving on to our final set, 2 decimal places. When we want 2 decimal places, now this is quite often what happens with money. Money's always to 2 decimal places. So let's have a wee look at this. 7.835. We've got 7 units, 8/10, 300ths, 5,000ths. So it's the thousands column. So if it's a 5, it means we are rounding it up. So we look at the bit before. We were on 7.83. Are we go, if we round it up, the next 8384, 7.84 would be the next one. Let's keep on going. 4.921. Okay, I underline my thousands because that's what I'm looking at. This time it's 1, so I'm rounding down in my thousands column. So it's going to be 4.9, and because we're going down, it's going to stay on 4.92. Not down to 91, because it's definitely a lot closer to 4.92. Okay, final question. This is a tricky one. I've put a few of these in to try and catch you out on the questions. Be careful. 4.996. That's 4 units, 9/10, 900ths, and 6,000ths. Now if we look at this, we look at that, that means we round it up. So if it's 6 thousandths, it means we round it up. Now, but then that would mean that actually this would then get rounded up, and then my tenths would get rounded up, and then actually that would in turn make my units get rounded up. So my nearest number to 2 decimal places on this one is 5.00, because it causes that little chain reaction. Because this gets rounded up, that one's going to get rounded up, and that's going to get rounded up because it's the closest one. And there we go, there's my final question. Now hopefully that makes sense. If not, you'll be able to get in touch with myself or your teacher, and we can help you out a bit further with that. Good to see you. Catch you later, kids. Bye.